again, guys, let's make another video. We're gonna make something very simple to what we were doing before. So we're gonna start with a finger size from the front view, center of circle 0, diameter 20 or whatever you want, and I'm gonna make a rectangle that it's gonna be 4 by 2, and I'm gonna place it. So I'm gonna move it from this middle point to the quadrant, and then I'm gonna copy that to the opposite direction, and I'm gonna create an ellipsoid inside. But before I do that, I'm gonna draw a line from the middle point to the middle point, because I wanna have this middle point as a center for the ellipse. I could have also just looked for the center of the rectangle, but doesn't matter. And here's the ellipse, so I can delete this. Okay, have this, and now I can just use sweep one rail. So this is the rail, cross section, enter. Sorry. Okay, this is something that you haven't seen in the previous video. It's very important. You just have to make sure, this is called seam, okay? We're gonna create a surface that is gonna go around, okay? So basically, imagine this like a sock. You cannot create like a tunnel of cloth without a seam. It needs a seam. So by dragging these arrows, we will decide where the seam goes. Let me just do it and then you will understand. You should move it to the middle point always. Okay. You see what I mean? It has, if I press enter now, it's only doing half because I haven't checked close sweep. But basically, if the seam is touching the top in the inside, so the middle here on the inside, and the middle on the inside, it's gonna look good. Okay. You see, this is what I wanted to achieve. Okay, now I'm gonna make it again, but I'm gonna do it wrong intentionally. So sweep one rail, this is the finger rail, one section curve, and now I'm gonna play with this, which you could actually. If you wanna make some kind of twist on the designs, you could. Okay, I'm gonna leave that there, and this one here. Let's see what happens. You see, this is a bit rubbish. It kind of breaks because the seams were twisting each other. Okay, I'll do it one more time. So one rail, cross section curve, and I'm gonna leave it just here. Okay, they're a bit off, but not very off. Still it fails. Okay, but you see it fails a bit better. It looks a bit better. Let me try again, because sometimes you can try to give the design a bit of a twist. You see, like this. And now close sweep, and then you press OK. See, that could be quite interesting. This is quite good. Okay, kind of twist in a special way. If I do it, I know I said it was the last time, but you could also do, once you have this like that with this list, is close sweep and rebuild. If you rebuild not with 5 but with, let's say, 50 maybe, you see what it does? It kind of softens all the edges. Okay, and the transition will look smoother. You just basically have to keep playing with it. Okay, probably in this case refit would work better. Yeah, that's quite good. I like that. Yeah. Okay, so by using this, by using just a finger rail with internal diameter and the two profiles, you could make some very interesting designs. It's basically a matter of time and spend some time with it. Okay, Okay, this was just a very quick video to show you this, but on the next one we're gonna make it with 5 different profiles. Not only we will learn how to make wedding bands, but also how to make organic jewelry with Rhino. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one.